Hi and welcome back to InStil Design. Today I am in West Berkshire and I am visiting client's house who has refurbished a 1930s house, which is now a 5-bedroom fantastic family home. We have refurbished the 3 bathrooms and cloakroom and helped them with the kitchen. Today we are looking into the family bathroom. Outside in the hallway we find the underfloor heating control. This bathroom is mainly used by the family's teenage daughter, but in all bathrooms it's practical with double toilet roll holders. And wall-mounted toilet brush holder. We have a double vanity unit with a deep ceramic basin, and the top drawer has got inserts for small bits and pieces, which is very practical. The drawers are soft close drawers and the bottom drawer is slightly deeper than the top drawer for toilet roll holders and other bigger items. We have a wide towel rail which is dual fuel heated. It means that you can run it on the electrics during the summer month when you don't use your central heating. In front of the bath we added a wide step for easy access. At the back wall we have integrated 2 lighted recesses, one at the low level so that you have easy access for your toiletries or shampoo bottles and things like that when you are having a bath. And the top recess is placed so it's practical and in the right height when you are having a shower. In this bathroom we have Hansgrohe shower select with 3 outlets. So we are having 3 buttons to choose from: overhead shower, hand shower and bath filler. You can also choose between 2 shower spray modes in the shower head by pressing the select button there. And on the hand shower you have got 3 settings. You have 1 soft spray, you have 1 hard spray and you have a massage spray to choose between. The bathtub is filled with an aqua filler. This means that the overflow is acting both as a filler and a waste. At the back of the bath we added a ledge. The main reason was to create as big shower area as possible. And the bathroom style here I would say is modern with a traditional twist with a patterned floor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InStil Design. Thank you!